Hello, Roblox fans. It's Kyron. Sorry, my friends aren't there. Yeah, my friends are not there. But who knows? You probably may see Nairobi or Bryson in the air. Well, who knows? Oh, that's child's music. Okay. Kyron. So let me just turn on the computer. Okay, we are leaving this game. What game should we play? Well, I don't know. What game should we play? Also, and probably my next episode, I may show how to make an iron golem on Minecraft. Also, I wish I could play Jailbreak, but I don't think my mom will allow it. I wish. I just wish. I'll play something else. Don't worry. Don't know what to play.
Hello.
Mount of the
I'm
Gods.
looking at it, but I'm trying to do this device.
Bad City.
You know, I told you we got that anywhere careful. You can take your temperature and all that.
The who?
So let me look at this video and we'll call you back. Okay, all right.
Escape the restaurant. I don't think that's a really good hobby. No. I can't find him. I can't find the video. Oh, Fishing Simulator. I forgot I like that game. I'm kind of a pro of all the games. Well, let's wait for it to load. Wow, the stars. Hey. It's still loading. Wow. It's taking a long time to load, right? Can you believe it? It's taking a long time to load.
But at least we got to set it up. Yeah. You can watch that video anytime. I can watch that anytime, yeah. Now look, this here, is this something you pull?
Screen, like when you buy it, you can take it off.
Also, look at when my video's uploaded. You can look at my
You
video.
need to help me with this stuff. Come on, put that video down.
Oh, dang it. Sorry, guys. I have to record later. Bye. Well,
Take that box. What's up with the light is on?
okay, I'll tell you what's loaded. Just have to,
Get some of this refrigerated.
just have to look at the document. Okay, bye.
Let me put this
Get
in.
one of them boxes for Kai.
All right.
Give me the heaviest
Look,
one.
Cotton, this one. Don't fall down the step with it. You think if you can't carry it, say it. Got it?
I can carry anything I imagine. Even $1 million.
I want to say Clackamas Parish has adopted the S program. And when I say by S, we call it the 4 S's. Stay calm, stay informed, shop local, and stay home. And that's really important today, and it's not the governor's order. So
they go out, get some groceries, and go back home.
Now, speaking of groceries, these grocery stores are going to remain open. These are essential businesses. There's no need to go out and hoard groceries. Please take what you need and leave some for everybody else so that everybody has access to resources. I remain in constant communication with our industry leaders to make sure that the critical industry in St. Charles Parish will continue to operate. Beginning tomorrow, St. Charles Parish Courthouse and our parish buildings will be closed to the public. If you need to get to the courthouse, it will be by appointment only. We will also take steps to ensure that all critical services will remain intact and alleviate staggering our workforce from exposure to our workers. Again, I just want to urge citizens to stay home if at all possible. If you need information, please reach out to the St. Charles Parish.
Oh, hold up. I have to get something really quick.
You can send some comments to the channel, as well as our website.
It's okay. Gotta play this for a minute, really quick. So, got spear, decent fisher. I just gotta give you a quick tutorial, cause I have to hurry up. Hold up.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
So you have to do, once you see a fish, you have to keep on the green. Try to keep on the green. And then,
Mix that bag with your ice cream.
Kyron,
yes,
take this bag.
That's your ice
and you failed. Just try to keep it in the green. Bye.